Right, okay, hello once again YouTube, Andy with you with another little video. So today we're once again over my local favourite park just outside Swindon. I mean, I'm not much for one for bugging out and doing these big camping things, you know, and overnighters and stuff like that. My job doesn't really allow me to do that. I haven't got the equipment to do it anyway, even if I did have the time. So this is about as good as it gets for me, I suppose, really, coming out here for an hour or two, getting up close and personal to nature, I guess, and just experiencing the great outdoors. So, yes, why don't you come with me, eh? Right, get ourselves a nice cup of coffee and of course some chocolate biscuits. Need a couple of chocolate biscuits, especially when these dogs are around, don't we? The clouds are starting to come over now. I think we'll probably get some rain, I think, maybe later today. Right, so we're going to go and buzz, have a look at the cormorants with my drone. There's a few pairs up there. They've been here now for a number of years, and they've done a pretty good job of fishing out a lot of the smaller fish in the lake. Of course, if they do that, then the bigger fish don't get a meal, so it's really not very good if you're a fisherman. Anyway, some information here about the cormorant. So the cormorant is a large black water bird whose size and colour make it very visible. With a reptilian neck, it is almost prehistoric in appearance. It is often seen standing with its wings held out to dry. Cormorants are supreme fishers, hence that's the reason why there's not many fish in this lake anymore, which can bring them into conflict with fishermen and has seen them persecuted in the past. The UK holds internationally significant wintering numbers of cormorants, so yeah, there's quite a few here. So the beak is yellow and black, the diet is fish, feathers are brown, black and white, the legs are brown, the length is up to 100 centimetres, habitats urban, suburban, marine and intertidal wetland. UK breeding pairs about 9,000, UK wintering birds about 41,000. The weight is between 2,100 and 2,500 grams, and the wingspan is about 160 centimetres. Yeah, so quite a successful bird. As I say, the fishermen don't like them very much because it spoils their fun. The breeze has gone up somewhat, but still it's a fairly calm day.
Like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time. It's clear to see from up here. The world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me were meant to be outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Right.
The most I've had in the day was I had two green and a 10s, but the nice big green and the beautiful conditions.
Yeah, they're pretty good. I mean, there's some big fish in there. I stick a camera down from time to time, you know, an underwater one, and there's some big fish in there.
Yeah.
There's a couple of big pike. I've seen them on the camera.
Yeah.
I think I've got some reasonable shots with some of my cameras. I think I've used about 4 cameras today, and try to get the right angles, you know, to try and give you a feeling of what I'm kind of experiencing, which is sometimes difficult. Therefore I do play a lot around with the camera angles and my edit suite, so I think I've got pretty much everything I need to make some kind of a video. I'll try my best. I do try my best. So time now to head on back home with all my files. All the cameras, fingers crossed, behave themselves. I don't think I've corrupted any files or lost any files. Hopefully I haven't, and then I can stick it all in my edit suite at home, and then that's when magic kind of starts. Towards the end of the video now, please like and subscribe, I suppose. And also I did use some AI the other day to do like a narration over a video, which was kind of alright, not perfect. And the reason why I used that, one was I was experimenting with it, and 2, it saves me a lot of time because I never get things right first time, second time, or the 20th time when I'm trying to read something out from the internet. There you go. Okay, so we are now going to do a voiceover to see what is best, man versus machine. So you be the judge.
We are now going to do a voiceover, to see what is best, man versus machine. You be the judge. So this is pretty much the end of my video for today. I hope you found it of interest and somewhat entertaining. I do like to get outdoors, especially on days like today. The weather was very good for early November. I don't think we are going to get too many more days like this for a while, so best we make as much as we can, when we do get them. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Please like, and as always, subscribe if you thought it was worth it. Bye for now.
So this is pretty much the end of my video for today. I hope you found it of interest and somewhat entertaining. I do like to get outdoors, especially on days like today. The weather was very good for early November. I don't think we are going to get too many more days like this for a while, so best we make as much as we can when we do get them. So thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Please like, and as always, subscribe if you thought it was worth it. Bye for now.